Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Now we film live here. I do not edit. I prepare and do as much as I can ahead of time because as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too so that we can be in the know together. So if you enjoy informative videos and we talk solely about the brands, the products, the deals, and of course the spoilers on the subscription boxes too, then I hope you will be part of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing. It is free and it is easy. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button you see right underneath this video and you are in. It really is that simple, but I also recommend that you hit that bell because as soon as I know something, I definitely sit down and upload so that some days you might have multiple videos, other days you might have one, or in some days there might not be any. It depends how the information flows and what arrives in the mail. So I always want to make sure that you guys are in the know, and the best way is to be subscribed, to hit that bell, and don't forget that thumbs up if you're enjoying all the content that I'm making. All right, guys, this is an absolute surprise. I don't know what's going on with the subscription boxes that I'm enjoying, like Allure, Ipsy. They are not sticking to the dates that they are sharing with us when things are going to become live. This was a date that they promised was going to be on the 7th of this month, was when Choice Day was going to open. Ironically, it is already open. So as soon as I saw that, I decided to sit down, make sure to set it all up on the computer so I can show you exactly where you need to go to make your choices. We already did a video on the future spoiler, which I will do my best to put it in the, I'll pin it in the comments down below as the first comment. So if you've missed that video, watch that one first because that really goes through all of the information on each one with swatches and all of that to hopefully make your decision a little bit easier. All right, so let's get started here now that you are subscribed. Also, you'll have access to my community tab, so hopefully if there's other information that needs to be updated, I will definitely put it into the community tab as well, as also on my Instagram, which there my name is True Wants with the number 2. All right, so let's go into where I can show you exactly so we can make our choices, which we'll do together here. So when you go into your Allure, into your account, up here, you will see a little guy on the top here. All you got to do is click on there and it will bring you into your account. Once you get into your account, you're going to see your active subscription. Now, as you can see here, I am an annual, so it's telling me exactly when my next billing date is, all of that. Where it says customize your August box, this is something that you might see. But if you don't click on the arrow, this is all that you will see, and you will write in the comments, I don't see it. So that's why I do these videos, so that you will be able to see it. This is where you are going to go. So you're going to go where it says to customize your box and select your shade. That is here. This is where you're going to make your choice. And you're also going to see that the add-ons are open as well. So we're going to check in here and we're going to see which shade. I did it all. I checked, and I shared with you in previous comments that I already picked up this product through FabFitFun. That's another subscription service that I get, and it is one that I really enjoy. I'm an annual there as well. And the 2 shades that I got, because there is originally 4 shades for this product, I personally think this is something that is possibly discontinued now, because when I tried to do the research for that future choice video, I could not find this on Tower 28 at all. I had to go to a few different places to be able to even try to get these shades there. But when this got launched, it was launched with 4 shades. The one shade that we're missing in here is a pinkier shade that is called Shake. What I ended up getting through FabFitFun were 2 shades, the mix, which is the sheer nude, and then the other one was in Shake. When they say sheer, it's not completely sheer. You will get color on your lips, but it won't be as bold as Squeeze and Drink. Now, when I shared with you those swatches, the Juicy Coral was really a very, to me, bright orange, more so than coral. Coral is a color I enjoy. Orange is a little bit, to me, for my skin tone, I'm a light medium, is a little bit too severe. So what I'm going to end up choosing is Drink, and that is going to be the Juicy Berry. So all you got to do is click on the picture of the one that you want. Now, if you saw this now, oh, I don't know if the camera caught it. Let me catch it here. This here, let me see if I can click it off. No, I can't. All right. This was faded out where it says make choice. And then as soon as I clicked it, it went ahead and it became this pink color. And then once I click this, my choice will be made. Once you make your choice, you can't go back or think about it. So the same way that I went in and I saw that arrow, here it's saying August. Is the camera picking this up? I think so. August add-ons on the bottom here. I'll point with my fingers so you guys can see. Again, there is an arrow there, and it says you can add products to your upcoming order, and all of this is going to be for August box. It says it's shipping for free, and the final date to add or remove is going to be on the 23rd of this month, and this, they are solely talking about add-ons. So I'm going to click on there so we can see what add-ons are available to us as well. So here we have the list of add-ons. So starting with, this is Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinting Serum. This is going to be an 8 ounce. It's from Rose Inc. This I personally own and I really, really enjoy. This is $22 that you will be adding it into your box. So you'll be added an additional price of $22 if this is what you choose. Then this I have shared with you in my Get Ready With Me's. It is a really beautiful product. Then we have the Clear Cut liquid eyeliner. This is from Haus Labs. That's the Lady Gaga line. If you love this, we've got this, all these items in previous boxes. This one here is $14. Right beside it, they have the beautiful Tatcha water cream. That's the 1.7 ounce. And that is normally a $72 value that we'll be able to pick up here if this is of interest to you for $39 plus tax. Right beside it, this is another product. All of these I have showed with you on my Get Ready With Me's. This one here, including this one from Origins. This is the Jin Zing. This is a brightening eye cream with vitamin C and niacinamide. It is a beautiful, beautiful product. This is $17 with tax in the add-on section here. It is normally a $39 product. They also are showing here from YSL. This is the Candy Glaze. This is the lip gloss stick. The shade that they are putting in here in the add-on section is going to be Cocoa, No Boundaries. This is a chocolate brown, but these products usually are, for me, a little sheerer. Really, really love them. And this is normally a $42 item that you'll be able to pick up in your add-ons here for $18. And all of these will be put into your box. The next one is for Bloom and Brighten box. This, they're giving you an opportunity to get the whole box for $69. It's an over $554 value. Now, you guys have shared with me that I'm going to check something in just a sec before we close this video off to see if this is also still available in the shop, because you guys have shared with me the last month in the add-ons, there was a perfume group of products that were available in the shop, and you paid more for it than when it was available in the add-on. So keep that in mind as well. So if you've had your eye on this, because the Reader's Choice box is the one that I fell in love with, and I definitely didn't pay $69 for it. So I know that this might be that box just based on the box that's behind it, but I'm going to have to check in the shop under Bloom and Brighten box to see if it's the same one. And then the other item that is available is going to be the Summer Glam Bundle. So that is also, we're going to now pause this video just for 1 second, and I'm just going to go into the shop to see if that is there. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, I'm in the shop now, and from what I can see is it's not here. So what I did was I made the pictures a little bit larger, which we'll go back to double check it here, but I just wanted to show you that I'm in the shop now. The box that I purchased and unboxed on my channel is here. This is the Allure Beauty box. It is the 2025 Reader's Choice Award winners. You get to choose one shade in one of the products, but it is $129, and that's what I paid, and it's still that price in the shop here. But they do have some other bundles in here that you can double check. And then if you're a new member this month, this is going to be the free item that they're going to add to your box here, that I had the opportunity to see a picture of that. But I just wanted to share that with you, that if you ever want to just see some other deals that are going on, you can always go into the shop. The only thing to keep in mind, the shop does have a minimum free shipping, and it is $50. So that is important to keep in mind as well. All right, so that is what is in the shop. So now let's go back to the page that I wanted to share with you what the bundle looks like. And this is what I was able to do in reference to this picture. Let me just see if I can make it a little bit bigger here. and see if I can get it more centered. There we go. So this is what is inside that bundle, which we'll go back to in the add-ons in just a sec. So it looks like we have Paul Mitchell in here. We have Christoph Robbins in here. We have Grown Alchemist. We have some of those fantastic Elizabeth Arden little capsules. It looks like we have a lot. Tinted is in here. So you can see Daily Concept, Skin Fix. This looks like a Dossier perfume is in here as well. So there is, and it looks like a couple of different flower bombs are in here as well. So definitely take a look. You can click on the picture and make it a little bit bigger. So that's a good thing to know. And then the other bundle that was here is another shot of it here. And this one has a brush in it that says it's called Angie. I think that looks like a LaRue brush. It looks like we have from Nude Sticks a product. We have a little by Rosie in here, by Rosie Jane. We have the Elata MD, which is an amazing, amazing product. We have that Tangler brush. We have the Eve Lom, the Ole Hendrickson, which is on my counter right now, and a Lippy as well. That could be Tarte. So it looks like we have some really good products and a lot of good items that are in the add-ons. You'll have to share with me in the comments if this is something that is of interest to you and if you're going to pick up on any of the add-ons. Remember, the add-ons will stay open until the 23rd for you to make your decisions if you want to take it in or take it out. That's what they say. So you'll have to share with me if you have done that and share your experience in the comments down below, because that's what we do here, is we share the experience. So now I'm going to make my choice for the drink so we can see as soon as I hit this here. It will then share on my screen that my choice is now confirmed, that you could see up here, and the add-ons are still alive. So I wanted to sit down and make sure to share with you that that is now available. That choice day is now open, as well as the add-ons. And remember, this is going to be for August. All right. So take care, everybody. You'll have to share with me in the comments what you ended up choosing, which shade. And if you ended up picking up any of the add-ons, I would love to know that as well. All right. I hope everybody had a great Ipsy Choice Day yesterday. So it's showing that we are starting July off strong and ready, and we are ready to roll. And I'm so excited that we are in the month of July, because it's an exciting month where we get to see a lot of spoilers for hopefully FabFitFun, as well as for the Icon box, as well as all the other spoilers that you always see on my channel here. So if you're not subscribed, I hope you will. Remember, it's free and easy. You just hit that subscribe button. Remember to hit that bell. Don't forget that thumbs up. And if you've watched this all the way to the end, I appreciate you guys so much. Just say, Choice Day is early, all right? And I'll know that you guys have watched all the way to the end. And that's it for this video, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.